Hello beautiful people, this is Mommy Zeth, and for today's tutorial, I will show you how I am using the new BPI mobile app to pay for our MP2. First, open the BPI mobile app, and at the bottom of the next screen, you can see check out BPI Shortcuts. So in here, instead of putting your username and password, you have to click check out BPI Shortcuts. And then on the next screen, you will notice 3 tabs on the upper portion of the page. You'll see their products, services, and information. So you have to click the second tab, the middle one, which says services. Now at this point, you can see the different services you can pay using BPI mobile app. Now you have to scroll down until you find BPI eGov and then click Pay Now. On the next page, you will see this note about the BPI eGov. You just have to scroll down so you will see the different government fees that you may pay using the BPI mobile app. Now we have to choose the first option which says taxes and finance because this is where PAGIBIG is included. So click on PAGIBIG, then start filling out the payment form. So by the way, aside from the amount of your MP2 savings, 7 pesos will also be deducted from your BPI account. This is the convenience fee for this service. So if that is okay with you, just proceed with the payment. First, you need to input the amount you want to save. Reminder, 500 pesos is the minimum deposit that you can save for your MP2. Then after that, under payment type, choose MP2. And then, you will need to input your account number. You have to be careful with this. This is MP2 account number, not your PAGIBIG number or your MID number. Next will be the payment coverage. For this example, I am paying for the month of January only. So, period covered from January 2024 and period coverage to January 2024 as well. Then next, input your email where you want to receive the payment confirmation. After that, just click Proceed with Payment. Next, input the name of the MP2 account holder and then click Log in to BPI Online. Wait for some time and then input your username and password in the login page. At this point, you have to wait for the OTP to be sent to your registered mobile number. So input the OTP and then click Submit. Then wait for some time again while the OTP is being verified. After verification, you have to select the account you want to use for the payment of your MP2. So in this particular example, we have multiple accounts, so I'll just have to select which one I want to debit it from. After selecting your account, another OTP will be sent. So you have to wait for the new OTP to be sent again to your registered mobile number. And after you input the new OTP, click Pay, the red bar at the bottom which says pay that certain amount. And after it has been correctly verified, then you are done with your payment. You will receive the payment confirmation through the email you have encoded a while ago, and also an SMS will be sent informing you about the deduction from your BPI account. So that's it. That's a very easy process. It will take you about 5 minutes only. But the payment posting for this one is not real time. You have to check your virtual PAGIBIG account for the payment posting after 3 to 5 banking days. So that's it. Thank you very much for watching. If this has helped you in a little way, please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much for watching. Bye!